I am aware of how difficult the world of earning money can be if you are new to it. The following is a complete beginner's guide to 9 completely beginner-friendly websites that will pay you to work from the comfort of your own home. To begin, there are ways to earn money online that you should be aware of that don't necessarily need you to be a key market, that don't require you to have any complicated skills or experience, or that don't require you to have an incentive to invest of a single dime. Okay, before we start, welcome to the channel. Zillow Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Let us start with number 8. What if there was a method for you to sell the photos you took with your iPhone or Android device? You can make money from this by uploading videos and photos that you take with your phone and selling them to brands agencies, or really anyone who's willing to buy them. You can make money from this by uploading videos and photos that you take with your phone and selling them to brands agencies, or really anyone who's willing to buy them. The website is called FOAP.com. They are companies that will pay you money from doing so. I'm talking about literal taking selfies of yourself, pictures that you took of your food, your surroundings, and a lot more. FOAP will then divide these profits with you 50-50. This platform will give you tasks to simply follow the mission brief and upload 1 or more videos or pictures that reflect the kind of imagery the brand is after. If they choose your images, and sometimes they do, you can earn hundreds of dollars extra from this. To get started, all you need to do is download the app to your Apple or Android device, sign up for free, and start posting. You get half, they get half. You can also earn even more money by submitting videos and pictures to their missions. The number 7. You may be familiar with websites like Upwork and Freelancer, which allow you to pitch potential clients on services you can provide. However, I want to tell you about a website called Clearview.ai. Fiverr has bought Clearview, a website for independent writers. Because of websites like Upwork, Clearview is significantly different from other freelance platforms. Freelancers gain contracts by placing bids on proposals. The issue with this is that it can occasionally foster a race to the bottom mindset wherein you simply set the lowest price possible well below the client's budget in order to get work. For the job you're working on Clearview, there is no bidding. Instead, you upload your portfolio of work, select your rate, and Clearview will automatically assign you assignments that meet your profile. As a result, you wind up making far less money than you're actually worth. Freelancers can make between $200 and $1,000 for each project, and some take less than a day to complete, which is not bad at all. The number 6. Gigwalk. You can accomplish comparable little activities for businesses on Gigwalk and make a ton of money doing them, like as checking restaurant menus, traveling to a company event to check quality and accuracy, or snapping pictures of grocery shelves to ensure that a product is being presented appropriately. Anyone may make money doing this, whether they're searching for a little additional spending money or they want to earn a full extra salary. Tasks on Gigwalk can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and can pay anywhere from $300 to $100 depending on the intricacy of the assignment. Simply download the Gigwalk app on your Android or Apple smartphone, register your account, respond to a few simple questions about yourself, link to your PayPal account, and you can get started and start getting paid right away. The number 5. What if I told you that you could sell the same photos that you posted on Instagram to brands all over the world and make top dollars doing it? That's where Snapwire comes in. Snapwire is very similar to another website on the list of folks that we discussed earlier. You can sell your photos to brands all over the world and make top dollar doing it. In addition to selling photos, you can also sell videos, graphic design work, and your own artwork here. On this app, there are essentially 2 methods for you to make money. The first is by adding high-quality photographs, graphics, and videos to your portfolio, after which you'll receive a commission if someone purchases something using your link. The second way is to take part in challenges or competitions that clients host. These challenges or competitions usually have a list of criteria, And if your photo or video graphic design satisfies those criteria, the client will probably select your entry as the winner. The amount of money you make depends on the request, but it may be anything from $25 to several hundreds of dollars. What's even more astounding is that you get to retain 100% of those earnings, so thank you Snapwire. The number 4. Now, if you have excellent listening and typing skills on a computer, you may work from home and earn money by transcribing audio or video. A lot of businesses will pay top dollar for this service, and all you need to get started is a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account. Scribble is a transcription service that businesses can use to transcribe things like speeches, recordings from meetings, phone conversations, and even YouTube videos. Beginners can make up to $800 per month transcribing. More experienced transcribers and typers can make up to $3,200 per month. All of this can be done from the comfort of your home. A nice keyboard with some good risk support will also be a good investment. The number 3. Field Agent. Using the app, you can gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing your opinions, and completing other tasks. Many of these tasks can be completed while doing things that you would normally do anyway, such as taking pictures of material marketing and stores to perform various tasks for their business. It's a great way for you to earn extra money doing simple tasks. Simply download the Field Agent app, reserve a work, and complete it. After the job is finished, the Field Agent will review your submission. If it is accepted, money will be deposited directly into your bank account. People have claimed to be able to make up to $300 every day for just a few hours worth of work. Number 2, check out TryMyUI.com. This platform is called TryMyUI if you want to be indoors. TryMyUI is an excellent website for user testing. You test websites on your computer or mobile device and provide frank feedback regarding how easy it is to use that website. Each test will pay you about $10 and take 20 to 30 minutes to complete on average. There is no cap on the number of tests you can take each day. The testing involves you performing various tasks on the website or mobile app and providing honest feedback about what you liked and disliked, about your experience while your screen and voice are being recorded. This is much better than conducting surveys on arbitrary websites because funds are issued every Friday to your PayPal account, ensuring that you get paid at least once per week. Simply visit the website, click the I Get Paid to Test button, establish a free account, and you may start earning money right away. The number 1. UserSurveying.com. Despite the fact that their survey websites will offer you a low-quality poll that pays you pennies on the dollar, this is essentially the Apple of the survey user testing world. Some of the biggest companies in the world utilize UserSurveying.com to acquire vital insight into their products and consumers' reactions to them, including your own. These firms are ready to spend really good money to get genuine feedback from actual people. UserSurveying.com pays you well. You can earn $4 for every 5 minutes of survey time, $10 for every 20 minutes, and between $30 and $120 for each live interview lasting 30 minutes to an hour. To get started, you'll need a computer with a reliable internet connection. You'll be testing things like websites, apps, and even physical products. If your computer doesn't already have one built in, a microphone, and a PayPal account, all you need to do to get paid is go to UserSurveying.com. Look at the very top of the page where it says, Get Paid to Test, enter your email, and then repeat the instructions. And that's it guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.